What's happening? I'm back. Man, what a beautiful drive it is at nighttime. No traffic, nothing. It's so nice. I love it, man. It's beautiful. So I wanted to make an announcement. We are closed tomorrow. Who can tell me why? Hello, Mr. Zabe. So we're closed tomorrow, and it's Eid tomorrow. That's how you pronounce it properly. It's Eid from here, and we're closed because it's a religious holiday for Muslims, and we have a lot of Muslims that work at our shop. Therefore, there will be no work tomorrow. And I just wanted to make sure we got that out there. So again, closed tomorrow, back up on Wednesday though. We're back on Wednesday, and it's gonna be a long time before we can get back to work. And I'm gonna miss it a lot. Today was a pretty good day. I mean, the weather was nice. Actually, Saturday was amazing. Saturday, oh my God, like, couldn't even sit down for a minute. You take care of one customer, and then you got another one, and you got another one, and you got another one. Time just flew by on Saturday. Today was pretty decent. Could have been better. But tomorrow's going to be tough, man. Not working on a Tuesday is very, very awkward. We normally don't take Tuesdays off. But tomorrow's a Tuesday that we got to take off, and it's going to be like that. So I'm not too sure if you guys know or not. We were the first shop in Toronto. That would sell a tire and a wheel package and make a video of it and put some music in the background and post it on YouTube. I'm not too sure if you guys know or not. This is going back to, I think, 2011, and it was amazing, man. Like, there was no one else doing it. So what happened is we got a lot of views because it was entertaining. It was new. It was something different. It worked out really well. We got a lot of customers from it. At the same time, the people that got the packages, they were very, very happy as well, because no one else would do that for them. Like, you go into your mechanic shop, you get your brakes changed, and you don't got your mechanic taking a video of the work that he did, or you didn't go get an oil change done from Mr. Lube. You wouldn't see Mr. Lube coming out making a video of it and posting it online. So it was pretty cool, man. We were like the first ones to do it. Now you got everybody doing it. It's one of those trends that you make, and something you feel good about. It's pretty cool. And we have proof. We were the first ones. We never copied anybody. We just did our own thing. There was a time where our auto repair shop would actually make videos of alignments, but that wasn't as cool because you weren't actually doing much to change the car. But at least this was pretty cool, and being original is something that's amazing. And that's what it's like when you're when you're selling 𝗡𝗢 wheels to customers. You're selling something that's original, something that's in a class of its own, and that's how we do it, man. It's something beautiful. So yeah, I just wanted to get that out there. It's something very important. And then you want to make sure you go to the original people, the ones that started it all. There was nobody doing any sort of financing for wheels when we started. We started the trend, and from our, you can say, trend starting, now, finance companies are advertising, selling wheels and financing wheels and tires. And now you got everybody doing it. But the original will always be the original, man. You can't really take that away. And nobody was doing it at that time. It was to get wheels at that time. It was like you had to have money. you had to have money, or you were paying with a credit card. But putting $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $8,000, $10,000 on a credit card wasn't ideal at that time. And even if you had a credit card, you were paying a lot on you were paying a lot more because the companies were getting charged a fee to process that $8,000, $10,000 transaction. That 2 or 3%, whatever it cost at that time, you had to pay that on top of your original purchase price. So now you're on a level where you're just getting financing, and it's done in like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You're approved, and for the people that don't know, it only takes a few minutes. It takes about 5 minutes to get approved, and you're ready, and your car's in the back, getting wheels installed. You're out the door in like an hour and a half, and it's never been possible. And we're the first ones that actually started that as well, because nobody's ever kept wheels in stock. The trend was waiting 2 weeks, a month and a half, 2 months at times to get the wheels in stock, because they had to be ordered in, or whatever the case might be. And sometimes people actually have to make them and get them custom made. So we started that as well. And the fact that everything is just sitting there waiting for you guys to come in and get it installed, I think it's a very nice situation to be in. And you just got to make the move. You got to make it happen. You got to come in by thinking about coming in. It won't put wheels on your vehicle. You got to make the move. You got to come down. You got to see us, and we'll make it happen. It's an hour and a half, 2 hours. You're out the door with very nice looking wheels, and it's up to you. I mean, the first thing that I thought about getting on any car that I ever got was not window tints, or a spoiler, or like anything fancy, and not even a sound system. Especially nowadays, every car comes with a pretty decent, sound system. But wheels were always the first priority. And if you don't have wheels on your vehicle, you really don't have much. You got a long way to go. And if you went after the exhaust first, or the tints, or a spoiler, or some body parts first, according to you, you did the right thing, but you're still a few steps behind, because the wheels are number one priority to get the vehicle to the level that it can be at. And now that the weather's getting a lot better, it's getting warmer, the sun's coming out a lot more, the rain is kind of stopped, this is the time. Make it happen, come down. Very, very conservative monthly payments, weekly payments, bi-weekly payments. I mean, I had a customer come in on Saturday. I don't know if he's watching, if he's here or not, but man, we gave him a bi-weekly price, and he was like, what? Seriously? I want to get wheels? He thought that the price was just for one wheel. And I was like, no, this is for the whole package. If you're down, you're ready, we'll make it happen. He was ready, we made it happen, and he left on Saturday. Very, very happy. I think we should have had a video on stories for him as well. It was a Honda Accord, 2015. So yeah, that's pretty much what it is, and we can make it happen. You guys got to come in. All right, guys. So I'm just getting home now. Look at the time, 9:30. Just getting home now, and hopefully I'll see you guys during the week sometime. And you guys gotta mention these videos, so we know that you're watching, and we take care of you. Make sure that you leave happy and there's no issues. And we are the original. Just keep that in mind. We started it all, and that obviously means we're ahead of everyone else as well, because the people that started off first are usually ahead, and that's pretty much that. So come to the right place. Come to the people that have the experience, have done it for years and years and years, so you're not in a position where you're going to somebody that just started off and there are some mistakes, wrong tires, wrong fitment, the wheels are coming off in a couple of days, and you don't want to be in that position. Alright guys, so I'm done for the day. See you guys back maybe tomorrow. I should have another video tomorrow. I got some interesting things that I want to talk about, and hopefully you guys tune in tomorrow, and we'll go from there. Take care. Good night.